Okay, so good day everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is your THRU's math class. So at this point of time, so we will be representing this one into a Venn diagram. So we'll be making use of a Venn diagram to show the following this problem. So I have here 5 sets of problem, and we're going to show and we're going to shade the different parts of the Venn diagram. So again, so let us have first, in showing this one into a shaded part or region, so we need to interpret it step by step in order for you, for an easy way of showing this one in a Venn diagram. So first, we have, there are 3 sets here, A, B, and C. So we are going to draw first the A prime. So this is universal set. So this is bar. Okay. So this is our A, and this is our B, and this is our C. So we are going to have A prime. So A prime, so meaning to say, not in the shaded part is not included A. So we're going to shade part this partly. So we will not include only for A. Okay. Okay. Only A will not be shaded. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. So only part of the A is not being shaded. So this is what we call as our A prime. Next step is we are going to have B. So if we're going to have B here, okay, this is our A, and this is our B, and this is our C. We are going to shade for B only. So, shaded po ang B. So, this is for B. Okay. So, next is we're going to find the intersection of this A prime intersection of B. Okay. So, this is our U. So, if this is our A and B and C, if we're going to look at the intersection, we need to say the common. So, here, ito po ang common natin. Here, from here, meron po siya. So, therefore, we have the intersection if this. So, this is the intersection between the two. Okay. So this is the intersection between the two. So therefore this is A prime intersection of B. Since meron po tayong C prime, we're going to draw here again a C prime. Okay. Okay. And U. So if this is our A, this is our B and C prime. So we are going to shade all the parts not included yung C. C lang po ang hindi natin i-shade. Okay. So take note, the portion of C is not included. Okay. So his portion, this part, is not included in the shading. So next, this is our C prime. Since we're going to get the intersection of this, so we're going to get the intersection, and this one also intersection later, a while ago. So A prime intersection of B intersection of C prime. So we're just going to get the common. So, shade muna. have to shade it further para hindi maguguluhan. Okay. So, in this case, so we're going to get the common between the two. Okay. This is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. We're going to try to look at, okay, the intersection is this. So, ito wala, ito wala. So, this portion only. Okay. Okay. This portion only needs nothing. It's a shade. So therefore, this is A prime intersection of B intersection of C prime. So this is the final answer. So again, first is we're going to make an A prime, and this one is B. So we're going to get the intersection. So we're going to look at the common. So the common shaded part is here. I'll try to look at here, this part and this part. So the shaded part, ito po at ito, this one and this one. So this is not the intersection because no shaded here. Meron dito, wala dito. So dapat common. So this intersection and this is the intersection. So next, if we have A prime intersection of B, we need to intersect it with C prime. So this is our C prime. So C prime, only C, we're not being shaded. It's not being shaded. So in the intersection of this, so kunin natin yung common. So the common between here is ito lang portion. So therefore, A prime intersection of B, C prime is this. So this is the result using the Venn diagram. Okay, so we are now in number 2. Same, we have 3 sets A, B, and C. First, we have to illustrate the A. So, we're going to illustrate, okay, so this is universal A, B, and C. So, what is our A? So, A, the shaded part only is this. Okay, only A is being shaded. So this is our A. Next, we are going to put for our B. Okay. Our B here. Okay. Union. Universal A, B, and C. So if we're going to shade, this is our B. Okay, this is our B. So this is our B. Next, we have C prime. Okay, we will illustrate C prime here. Okay, so the C prime. C prime. So, ang C prime po natin is not included the C in the shaded part. So, C prime. Okay. Not included po ang C. So, here, this is our C prime. Okay. This is our C prime. Next, we are going to connect first this one. So, B intersection of C prime. Okay, so if we're going to connect, okay. Okay, so we're going to connect A, B intersection of B, C prime. So, try to look at ano po ang nag-intersect. So, this focus, so meron dito, here, this is the shaded part and shaded part, but not included here. So, therefore, the shaded part is this. Okay. So, this is the shaded part, so B intersection of C prime. So, this is the result of B intersection of C prime. Next, we have A intersection. So, nag-intersect naman dito sa here. Okay, so we're going to draw here for this part. Okay, this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. So, if we're going to look at the intersection of this and this, so in this part only, ang naka-shade here. So, therefore, this is the intersection between A intersection of B intersection of C prime. So, this is the result for number 2. Again, we have A, B, and C prime. So, the first is we're going to combine first this one. We are going to solve first. So, B intersection of C prime, if we're going to look at the common between the two is this part and this part. So, we have shaded. And since tapos na po ito, so B intersection of C prime, so we have to intersect or have an intersection between A and the result of this. So, the result of A and this B intersection of C prime, so the common only is this part. So, therefore, A intersection of B intersection of C prime. So, this is number 2. Okay, so number 3, A intersection of C prime quantity union of B prime. So, first, we are going to illustrate A. So, this is our union. So, illustrate. This is our A, B, and C. So, what is our A? Here. Going to illustrate our A. So, this is our A. Next, we have C prime. Okay, illustrate natin ang C prime. A, B, and C. So, since C prime, so not included ang C in the shading. So, here. Okay, so this is C prime. Next, we have the intersection. So, need to get the intersection first. Okay. So, here. Okay. So, if we're going to try to look at the intersection is this part. Here, the shaded part. Okay. Included, ito po included. And here only. So, this is the intersection. So, not included because wala po siya dito. Okay. So, this is A intersection of C prime. Next, we're going to illustrate with B. So, B prime. So, B prime. Okay. So, A, B, and C. So, since we are going to talk about B prime, okay, so not included ang B in the shading. Okay. So si B lang po ang hindi included in the shaded part, in the shaded portion. Okay, so this is B prime. Next is you're going to connect with the union of this. So you have the union, this one, union of this. So we're going to illustrate. Okay, so this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. We are going to shade all the shaded part here and the shaded part here. So first is we are going to shade here, copy here. Copy po siya at copy din ito. Okay, copy. And including its complement. Ang nasa labas. Okay. So, included po ang nasa labas. So, not the shaded part is here. Ito lang po ang hindi na-shadean. So, therefore, this is A intersection of C prime, union of B prime. Again, so A and C prime. So, get the intersection. The common here is ito lang po. And, you're going to draw B prime. And being united here, union, A intersection of C prime, union of B prime. So, just copy the shaded part here and the shaded part. So, therefore, A intersection of C prime, union of B prime. So, that is number 3. Okay, so we are now in number 4. So A prime union of B prime, or A complement union of B complement quantity, and the intersection of C. So first, we're going to have A prime. Okay, so 3 circles, A, B, and C. Since we're going to get for A prime, okay, so A prime. So not included ang A in the shading. Okay. Okay. Only A is not included. So that is our A prime. Next, we have B prime. Okay. So U. Okay. If A, B, and C, so since B prime, so only B is not included in the shaded region. Okay. Okay, only B is not included, so therefore this is B prime. Next, we have the union of this two. So we are going to have the union of the two. So this is our U. Okay, if this is our A and B and C, we're just going to shade kung ano ang nasa dalawa. Here, so shaded part, so shade sa labas. Okay, shaded ang labas natin. Okay. And in this case, here included until here. Okay. And included here also based on this, and here included, and here included. So therefore, ito lang po ang walang shade, this portion. So this is A complement union of B complement. So this part only is not being shaded. Okay, so next we have C. Okay. If this is our C, so U, A, B, and C. So we are going to have the shaded part of C. Okay. Okay, this is our C. Next, we have the intersection of this. So we have the intersection. So we're going to draw here. Okay. This is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. So the intersection between this is, if we're going to look at what is the intersection. Okay, the intersection is this part, and this part. Okay, so the intersection is this part. So here, copy, same lang, same. And this part also, we have here, same. Meron din po dito, same. So therefore, this is A prime union of B prime intersection of C. So this is the result. Okay, so we are now in number 5. So C or B minus A quantity prime intersection of C union of A quantity prime. So in this case, B minus A. So let us have an illustration here. Okay, we are going to illustrate. Since this is our A, B, and C, we're going to focus only for A and B, not included yet the C. So we have here B minus A. So what is in B? So everything that is in B. So that is not included yung A. So this is B minus A. So not included yung A. So therefore B minus A, dominant po ang B. Next we have B minus A prime. Okay. So in this case, this is our U. Okay, A, B, and C. So B minus A prime. So B minus A prime. So ano po ang hindi na shadean? So sa labas, shade because this is included in the prime. Okay. Okay, labas, included in. Since ito lang po ang na-shadean, so included ito. Okay. Included ito here. So kung ano po ang nawalang na shade, yun po ang B minus A prime. So may shade siya. The complement of this one is ang walang shade naman ito. Okay. So next we have C union of A. So since C union of A, okay, basta yun, immediately lang. So U, if this is our A, B, and C, so we're going to take the union of C union of A. So just shade A and okay. Okay, just shade A. Okay. So this is okay. So this is our A C union of A. So C union of A. Next, we have C union of A prime. So we are going to take the prime here. So opposite, what is the complement of this? Okay, this is our A, this is our B and C. So the shaded part not included. So first we're going to shade the part of the universal set or not belong to any set. Since naka-shade po, ito lang po ang ating i-shade. So this part na shade, so therefore we will not shade it because this is the complement. So C union of A, we have complement. Next, we are going to take the intersection between these two. So we need to get the intersection. A, B, and C. If we're going to look at, of course, the intersection is the shaded part not included here of the sets. So first is this is the intersection. Okay. Next, sa loob, wala. So therefore, the three sets walang intersection. So C union of B minus A prime intersection of C union of A prime. So not included, so the intersection is this. So wala. So therefore, this is the answer. Okay, so we are done with 1 to 5 problems. So try this one at home. A, intersection of B, quantity prime, or complement, union of C. So I hope you learned something today. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So have a good day, everyone.